Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Predis.ai tutorial for beginners. So when you first sign up, they will be asking you to put in some details regarding yourself and what you want to use Predis.ai for. So it's very important that you put in all the correct information. So in terms of your small business or store, if you're a store owner or agency professional, you need to select everything that applies to you so that Predis.ai can give you the most accurate way of helping you out in relation to your actual business. Predis.ai is an AI-powered platform that helps you create, customize, and schedule social media content, ads, and videos efficiently. You can also create content in here from reels, shorts, etc. using different types of software. So it's very important here that you put in all the correct information. So go ahead and fill out all of this. They'll ask you questions like, what is your industry? So go ahead and pick all of these things. So what is your main focus? Pick one of these. How comfortable you are with running ads? So what is your biggest challenge with running ads? Put in this. So for me, it's taking too much time. How much time do you spend creating content? How often do you post on social media? And then here, put in your website, and here you can select if you don't have one. And then put in some basic information about your brand, the brand name, and the basic description regarding the brand. And here, put in some brand information like your brand logo, and fill out all this information. The more accurate you make it, the more better it will be tailored for yourself. So what do you want to post about? Fill out this and then press next. And here you will see your content plan. So here is your personalized content strategy. And you'll see they have scheduled specific things for each day of the week. And then you'll have to start your free trial. So go ahead and do this. So as you can see, start today, start your free trial, cancel anytime. As long as you cancel before, it will be okay. So as long as you cancel before, you won't be charged. So go ahead and do this and start the trial. So here are some different aspects that we'll go through. So we have ad inspirations. So here we can go ahead and filter through different ads to find inspiration. And if you go on content library, you'll see that this AI will generate some ads that we can use from our idea here. You can see they will generate captions. So based on your ideas, they will generate these, and you can edit these further, publish or download. And here will be the credits used. So you can see some different ones here. And on the content calendar, we have the calendar in which we can plan and implement content on different days here. Here you have to link your social media accounts in order to actually post these onto the specific social media platforms. So here we have a list. So go ahead and press connect account. Click a social media account platform, pick professional or easy, hard or easy. So go ahead and do one of these. Click continue. And here once you have signed in, you have to press connect, and this will connect it to your account. It has been connected here. So press save, and this will connect your Instagram account or any other account for that matter. So if you want to add any accounts, go to brand and social accounts here and add them here. So for the competitor analysis, you will need to connect your Facebook page and also your Instagram page. So go ahead and do this to access this feature. Other than that, we have the analytics down here. So this will give you all of the information and data regarding tracking your social media progress here. So we can see posting streaks, post consistency, engagement, followers, and we can see this across LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. So here we can see post engagement, post activity, growth, post distribution, and many other important analytics that we can use to analyze our performance. So here, if we click on auto posting, you will see that we'll be able to set up auto posting. So we can click on this. Basically, Predis.ai will create their own plan for you. So as you can see, they will post each day. So we can press continue and you can select a UGC avatar to go ahead and do this. Then here we can choose different types. So we can choose images, reels, videos, single images, carousel images also. And here we can give the content a direction. So we could put in information regarding focusing on this product benefits using a friendly tone. So anything that we want to direct the content towards, we can use the words here to get a specific image across or a specific tone or a specific idea. So put something like this and then press next. And then here we can select content sources. So go ahead and put in all of this information regarding your business. And then we can select specific posting times. So go ahead and do this. So once you've done that, it will be applying the updates. And then here, it will give you the option to connect your social accounts. So you can go ahead and add accounts here. So Instagram here, business accounts you can add here. And then you can add any social media accounts. So Facebook Reels, LinkedIn, Google, TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, etc. So you can go ahead and add all these and all the platforms that you have selected, they will be uploaded to this. As you can see, review everything that you've gone over here, and here we can go back by pressing back and edit anything, and then press activate auto posting. This will populate your content calendar with the specific post on that specific day. We can also press create new up here, so we can create your next post. So you can choose from we can choose from an array of different types of potential post types. So product ad video, UGCs, faceless videos, carousel images, anything like this. So I'll click image here. Then here we can go ahead and write your idea. So go ahead and write something. So I'll just write something like this, just for this example. Press generate ideas for me. Describe what you want to create. Here we can add images so you can guide the look. And they will support your idea. So go ahead and press continue once you've done that. So here we can choose a high converting ad as your preference or upload your own. So go ahead and choose one of these. I'll choose this one, press continue, and we can choose the aspect ratio here. And review and confirm, and press generate, and this will generate something for you. And then everything that is generated will go into your contents library, where we can filter things by date, tags, users, created forms, etc. So if you click on one of these, we can see all of the information here, as well as the caption, input prompts, etc. And we can publish, edit, download. So yeah, that is the basics and how everything works here. You can also go to here and add new brands if you're using more than one, if you are doing more than one brand. And also if you want more brands, we can go to grab my credits up here and we can do a review and get more credits, which is very handy. That is a basic tutorial on Predis.ai. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.